This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Coolant Renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly, depress the safety catch, fully raise the bonnet and support it with the prop. Position the workshop jack under the lower arm front mounting point with a piece of wood on the jack head. Then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the sill flange at the jacking point, indicated by an arrow pressed into the sill. Remove the jack. If required, repeat this procedure on the other side of the vehicle. Engine under tray. Undo the 2 screws securing the under tray to the bumper. Undo the 5 remaining screws and remove the under tray. To drain the system, first remove the expansion tank filler cap. Place a suitable container beneath the left-hand side of the radiator, then release the clamp and disconnect the lower hose. When the coolant has finished draining, reconnect the lower hose and secure it with the clamp. Remove the drain container from under the vehicle. Unclip the transmission breather hose from the side of the air cleaner housing. Disconnect the hose, then slacken the clamp securing the air outlet hose to the throttle body. Pull the housing upwards to release the rubber mountings, then disconnect the air inlet duct. Using a funnel, add a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank to bring the level to the max mark. Place a rag beneath the heater pipes, then unscrew the cap from the bleed point. As soon as bubble-free coolant emerges, refit the cap. Unscrew the cap from the bleed point on the thermostat housing. As soon as bubble-free coolant emerges, refit the cap. The air cleaner housing is secured by 4 rubber mountings. Maneuver the housing into position, connect the air outlet hose to the throttle body and the air intake duct to the front of the housing. Press the housing firmly down to engage the mountings. Tighten the air outlet hose clamp and reconnect the hose. Clip the transmission breather hose to the side of the air cleaner housing. Position the tray under the vehicle, then insert and tighten the 5 retaining screws. Refit and tighten the 2 screws securing the front of the under tray to the bumper. Raise the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Add coolant until it reaches the max level line on the expansion tank. Remove the funnel and securely refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it at a fast idle speed, do not exceed 1500 RPM, for approximately 4 minutes. Keep the level topped up to the top of the expansion tank filler neck. Switch off the engine and allow it to cool completely. Check the level and add coolant if necessary to bring the level to the max mark. Securely refit the filler cap. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet.